Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing these two dresses. You can check out the Amazon link below. It is a jumpsuit. Everything is just super stretchy. Everything's connected. It's a full sleeve, so it's not a half sleeve or anything like that. No zippers whatsoever. Literally, you just like pull it up and put it on. Let me go ahead and try this on first. All right, so this is the jumpsuit. Definitely, it's tight enough, but also like loose enough so you can like breathe a little bit. This part is a little bit loose on me at least. It is definitely reveals like everything, so you might want to wear maybe like Spanx or something inside. I don't feel like it's, you know, constraining over here. Here we are as we are. Yeah, the back is super cute. I feel like this would be something, you know, like almost like costumey, you know, where you could wear it to like, I don't know, some kind of event or something, but it can also be like really classy. Just depends on like how you dress it up, you know, with like jewels and different stuff like that. The next dress. Ooh, there's actually a zipper on this one. Oh, cute. Polka dot sleeves over here. And then it has a cute detail over here where it's like scrunchy, or it's like scrunched and like a little ruffly. Oh, there's like, it's kind of a sweetheart neckline-ish. But there, yeah, you can see there's like, you know, cup sizes. And then, as I said, a zipper on the back. And it should be probably quite short, but let me try it on to see. Ooh, this dress is amazing. Really nicely over here. It doesn't feel too tight at all. This is perfect. It might be a little bit loose maybe over here, but I think it's nice. Fits perfectly over here. General, I mean, this is a super cute dress. I would definitely wear this out. Definitely like this one better than the other one. Do you like this dress or do you like the jumpsuit better, and why? I want to know in the comments. And if you want to keep watching, I have lots of product unboxings. If you want to purchase any of these dresses, check out the links below, and I'll see you in the next video.